Hey, welcome back to the Fox Shop, and if you like this video, give it a big old thumbs up. Comments go down below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get on with the video. So walking out here in the shop, I'm just doing this on my phone. This is kind of a quick update thing. Got to get this girl cleaned off. Made some ribeyes on that last night. Have a local friend that lives. Might pick up a little wind noise out here, although last time I said that I don't think there was much. But have a friend that lives across the field. Yeah, you can't see. He's right off over that direction, about a mile or so. Has a little. They started up a little meat market and bought. Yesterday went over there and bought a bunch of stuff. Several packages of ribeyes, some sirloin, some bacon, some cheddar beef sticks, which were awesome. They're gone already. What else did we get? Got, let's see, we got ribeye, sirloin. Oh, we got some T-bones, Italian sausage. I don't know. We got a bunch of stuff over there, but ribeyes were really good. Got Buddy and Jesse down here tonight. One thing I want to show you, and I'll shut this off for the moment and walk over to the old shop, or maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just, I don't think the wind's too bad here. Kind of going with the wind now. We'll walk over here to the old shop. I can't even see what I'm filming right now. Had a guy come look at this walnut tree. Two guys actually, and the first guy that I bought a truck off of a few years ago, he had another tree guy come out and look at it. He only offered me $300 for it. The reason for that is, well, one, she's old, probably over 100 years old, and I don't know if I'm getting lowballed on it or what, but the reason is because if it was taller on the trunk, I just can't see anything that I'm doing here. How am I zoomed? Let's go out a little bit. The trunk, it's got a good trunk on it, but where the first branch is like 7 foot something. So basically all he can get out of those boards, which I don't know what he's going to get out of it anyway, but, and he said he could tell right here is where an old branch has been cut off of it, which causes trouble, I guess, with the wood inside. I don't know, getting anything to cut it down would be okay, but $300 have this knocked down and have him take, he would take, I think, up to there, and then from there probably on up a little ways he'd take some of that. The rest of it I'd have to clean up, and for $300 I don't know if I'm interested in that. The other guy said he might come out and look at it and might be able to offer a little more so he can make stuff out of it. I don't know. Old black walnut trees they got really pretty wood, and I don't know, I thought about cutting it down, and on the cooking channel making you can make a lot of cutting boards out of this trunk, big round cutting boards. Learn how to do that and sell them. I don't know, just thinking about stuff. Anyhow, over here in the old shop, I know weeds are just growing like crazy. I've got to spray this. It's been a little breezy though, so I don't want to spray too much. It'll kill the grass out in the yard. But turn the light on. Where's the Bronco? Well, I may make a full video on that here coming up soon, like a real video, and tell you what's going on with that. I will tell you she's getting fixed up, and I think she's going to get fixed up pretty darn soon. She drove she drove under her own power up onto the truck. I know I'm picking up wind noise here. Let's get out of the wind. She drove under her own power for the first time in probably 2.5 years, no problem. And I was rather impressed. But anyway, yeah, she is going to get fixed up. Let me get out of the wind here. I'm sure you're picking up wind noise. I'm trying to hurry. One thing I am itching to do is get started on, I really want to get going on that. It needs 2 new batteries and a starter just to drive it in here. And or I could push it in here with a tractor or something, but you're eating a piece of stuff that came off the bottom of the lawnmower. Okay. Yeah, the lawn needs mowed again, although it's starting to turn brown. We need some rain. It's not horrible, but we need some rain. But anyway, that's what's going on here. I know I haven't been putting up a lot of videos on the truck channel or the barbecue channel. I do have one planned for this. Just got a lot of stuff going on here right now. Old green truck, I've had her out several times. She's running great. Absolutely nothing wrong with that. Went to the convenience store yesterday and had somebody stop and talk to me about it, and then I went over to that little meat market and he was asking me all about it because he sees me driving up and down the road all the time, and had some talks on that. But anyway, supper tonight, I think we're having some kind of cheesesteak sandwiches. Had some ribeye left over. Probably not real big ones, but that's what's going on for supper tonight. Had to take Jody down, hour and 15 minutes down that direction. Early this morning for a COVID test. She's having surgery on Wednesday. Not going to go into that. That's kind of a private matter. So she may be laid up for, well, 6 weeks recovery time, but we'll just see how that goes. So I imagine the first couple days are going to be kind of hurtful and that kind of thing, but hopefully she gets over that real quick. So anyway, yeah, I gotta clean this guy up and then probably head up to the house here pretty quick and eat, watch a movie or something, take a shower, go to bed. But at least it's cooling off. It's right now it's pretty comfortable. I don't know, middle 80s. But tomorrow it's supposed to be, I think, 93 to 95, and the next day 93 to 95. Heat index of about 100, and then it's supposed to cool off back down into, well, there's some days upper 70s and upper 80s. So we'll see. But I really am itching to get going on this girl. But the Bronco is getting fixed up, and I'm pretty sure you'll see her again. So like I said, may make a full video on that in the next, I don't know, next few days or so. So anyway, that's what's going on at the Fox shop. This is going way longer than I thought it would. So hope you're all having a good night, and we will catch you next time. Bye bye.